Hi, so in this chapter we will learn how we can judge the NumPy array shapes. Okay, NumPy array shapes. It is a much important chapter if you are a student of data science, or if you are in future planning of doing data science or machine learning, artificial intelligence, then this chapter is basically for you. Okay, look, the shape of an array is actually the number of element in each dimensions. Okay, so the question arises how we can get the shape of an array. Look, NumPy have an attribute called shape that returns a tuple with each index having the number of corresponding elements. Okay, just suppose I want to print the shape of let's say 2D array. Okay, we have already seen how we can create an 2D array, so let's create it first. Import NumPy as np. Okay, let me take a variable called my name Sharad. Okay, then np dot array, and let me create a 2D. Okay, 1 2 3 4, then again 5 6 7 and 8. It is a 2D. Now just suppose I want to know what shape it is. So what I'll do, I'll type Sharad and then I'll put shape. Shape is an argument. Okay, if I'll run this, now it is saying me 2 4. So what is the 2 4? 2 4 means that the array has 2 dimension, where the first dimension has 2 elements and the second dimension has 4 elements. Okay, this is the first dimension, this first para. So it have 2 dimension, this one and this one. Okay, this one and this one, 2 dimensions are there, and in second dimension it has 4 element, means this is 4. Understood? Let me tell you by an example again. What we will do, we will create an array with 5 dimensions using that ndadmin. Okay, ndmin I have told you, ndmin, and then we will use a vector with the values 1 2 3 4 or something, and then I'll verify that the last dimension has a value 4 or not, or 3 or not, or something. Okay, so let me create first what we will do, Sharad. Okay, then np dot array, and I'll create 1 2 3 4. Okay, and I'm not creating 5t directly, I'm creating it by ndmin. Okay, and then here what I'll do, ndmin is equal to, let's say, 5 dimension. If I'll print this, print Sharad, and again I'll print some message, shape of array, and the shape means Sharad dot shape. You can do, yes. If I'll run this, you can see by using ndmin 5 I have converted this 1D to 5D. 1 2 3 4 5, it is a 5D, and the shape of an array is what? 1 1 1 1 4. Understood? The simple thing what I told, these are all the dimension with carrying the value. 1 is this one, it doesn't have anything in it, it have only one value, so it taken 1. 1 is again no value, 1 1 1 up to 4, and when 5 comes, this 4, then it become 4 value. Understood? So by this way you can get or change something. Okay, if you want to know the shape of an array, then first create it directly or create it via endymin, and then by the shape argument you can know. Okay, and one more question is there. One of my student asked me, let me tell you what he asked. What does the shape tuple represent? This question actually he asked me. Look, integer at every index tells you about the number of element corresponding dimension has. Understood? As we have seen here. Okay, means in this example at index 4 we have 4 values. So we can say the fifth element, means 4 plus 1, has a dimension of 4 elements. Okay, don't get confused, because if you will see this in diagram, then you will understand it totally, because you are learning it first time, so it will confuse you. But don't get confused, just remember this like a theory, and when we will come up with the more videos, you will do more practice in NumPy projects, you will understand this theory. It's very simple actually. Okay, so hope you understood this basic thing. Okay, if you got any confusion, drop a message, I'll give the answer as soon as possible. Okay, so that's now for this section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.